Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 65. More commonly confused words and a few that are simply never correct. Today, from allusion to would of. Let's continue the glossary from allusion through the could of errors. Start with meaning pairs. An allusion is an indirect reference. An illusion is a false impression. Beside means next to. Besides means in addition to. Bring is movement toward the speaker, while take is movement away. You bring something here and take it there. And the borrowing trio. Borrow means to take. Lend means to give temporarily. And loan is the noun, the thing lent. Three more useful pairs. Use between for two things, and among for three or more. The deal was between the two of them, but the secret spread among the whole team. Can shows ability. May shows permission or possibility. I can swim means I'm able. I may swim means I'm allowed, or it might happen. And continual means repeated with pauses, like continual interruptions. Continuous means without any break, like a continuous hum. Finally, a few that are simply never correct. Could of, would of, should of, must of. All wrong. The word is have, could have, would have. They just sound like of when we speak. Can't hardly and can't scarcely are double negatives. So say can hardly, can scarcely. Never add s to anywhere or everywhere. There's no such word as anywheres. And drop being as and being that. Use because or since instead. Let's practice. Choose the correct form for each highlighted word. Pause and try each one before I answer. If you put the consonants besides each other, they would fit. The meaning is next to, so we drop the s, so the answer is beside. There was a similarity between the fossils on 4 continents. With more than 2, we use among, so the answer is among. How could the continents have moved anywheres at all? Never add s to anywhere, so the answer is anywhere. 3 more. Choose the fix or correct as is if it's already right. Earth's crust could have moved too. The helping verb is have, not of, so it should be could have. They can't hardly believe what they found. Can't and hardly make a double negative, so it should be can hardly. Molten rock oozes continuously from the sea floor. The flow has no break, so continuous is right. So this one is correct. Let's wrap up. An allusion is a reference. An illusion is false. Beside is next to. Besides is in addition. Use between for two. Among for 3 or more. Can for ability. May for permission. Continual for repeated with pauses. Continuous for nonstop. And never write could of, would of, or should of. It's always have. Skip can't hardly. And never add s to anywhere or everywhere. Great work. In the next lesson, we'll cover from different from to regardless.